From Developer to Architect, the ServiceNow Mastery Series. Hello and welcome to From Developer to Architect, the ServiceNow Mastery Series. I'm so excited to have you here, because this series is created with one purpose in mind: to help you, the ServiceNow developer, grow into a confident and capable architect. For many of us, starting out as a developer means focusing on code, fixing bugs, and delivering small features. But the journey to becoming an architect is very different. It's not just about solving individual problems. It's about designing solutions, scaling systems, and aligning technology with business outcomes. And that shift requires a new mindset, new skills, and a deeper understanding of how ServiceNow really works at scale. That's exactly what this series is all about. Over the course of these episodes, I'll walk you step by step through the critical knowledge areas every aspiring architect must master. From performance optimization to multi-instance architectures, from automation pipelines to real-world security solutions, we'll cover it all. The goal is to bridge the gap between coding and architecture, between being an implementer and being a strategic problem solver. And here's the best part: this isn't just theory. Everything I'll share is based on real-world experience, practical scenarios, and lessons learned from working with global clients and large-scale ServiceNow implementations. So whether you're just starting to think about the architect path or you're already on your way, this series will give you practical insights you can apply immediately. Now, let me take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Gugin Jolly, and I am the founder of the nowGurukul ServiceNow Learners Club. Our vision at nowGurukul is simple but powerful: to grow together by learning 1% every day. I am also a ServiceNow Certified Technical Architect, with over 8 years of experience in the ecosystem. Over the years, I've worked with clients across telecom, FMCG, and financial domains, helping them design and deliver enterprise-grade ServiceNow solutions. But more than my certifications or professional work, what drives me is the passion for sharing knowledge and building communities where learners can thrive. That's why I created this series, to give back to the community that has given me so much. Now, let's talk about what's coming up in this series. We'll begin with building for performance, exploring instance architecture reviews, request handling, session management, working with large datasets, and asynchronous processing. Then we'll move into the second performance chapter, where we'll look at inbound integrations, batched REST requests, Java heap space, and caching strategies. From there, we'll dive into multi-instance architecture, covering implementation models, real business case examples, and topology principles. We'll also explore CI/CD in the real world, including source control, application repositories, automation, and deployment strategies. And that's just the start. Later episodes will cover the ServiceNow Vault Suite, real-world security challenges, Stream Connect with Apache Kafka, predictive and task intelligence, Now Assist for creator workflows, and even advanced topics like handling 200+ developers in CI/CD, deep dives into GenAI. I hope this session gave you valuable insights that will help you grow not just as a developer, but as a future architect. Remember, the path to becoming a strong ServiceNow architect is about consistency, curiosity, and building the right mindset. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share this with your peers in the ServiceNow community so together we can keep learning and growing. And as always, think big, build smart, architect better. See you in the next episode.